If a website is showing a limited mobile version or you are unable to access certain features, Safari on iPhone lets you load desktop version of any website. In this guide, I will show you how to request a desktop website on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. Start by opening Safari and visit the website you want to see in desktop mode. Tap the page settings button located on the left side of the address bar. It looks like a rectangle along with two lines. From the menu that appears, tap on the three dot button. Safari will bring up a page menu. Here, locate and tap on the Request Desktop Website option. As soon as you do this, Safari will reload the page and display the desktop version of the website. If you frequently visit a website that works better in desktop mode, you can make Safari automatically load the desktop version every time. For this, load up the website in Safari. Tap the Page Settings button in the address bar. Scroll down to Website Settings and turn on Request Desktop Website toggle. Finally, dismiss the menu to save the setting. You can also configure Safari to always load desktop versions of websites whenever possible. For this, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, tap on Safari. Now tap on Request Desktop Website and enable all websites. Safari will now attempt to load desktop versions of websites by default. So why would you use the Request Desktop Websites on iPhone? Well, desktop websites often provide additional features that may not be available on mobile versions of websites. This can be useful for accessing advanced settings, managing accounts, editing documents, or using web applications that don't function properly on mobile browsers. And that's how you can request desktop websites on your iPhone using Safari. Whether you need the desktop version for a single page, a specific website, or all websites, Safari makes it easy to switch between mobile and desktop browsing experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.